Welcome to the NYSORA learning system, simply the best-known learning system for regional anesthesia. Get the benefits of decades of regional anesthesia education in an all-encompassing e-learning platform. Easy to follow, practical instructions, and interactive features make the NLS ideal for learning or teaching regional anesthesia. Upon logging in, you'll see your activity feed, where you can track your course progress, interact with your colleagues, comment, post pictures, and start discussions. On the top menu, next to Activity Feed, click on Courses to access the Regional Anesthesia Learning System. Here, you can start the NYSORA Learning Systems course on regional anesthesia. Click on Start Course and dive into individual lessons and techniques, covering over 700 topics on all aspects of regional anesthesia, ultrasound, and nerve blocks. You can see the lessons and topics on the side menu and track your learning progress. Scroll to the bottom of this menu to see a list of your colleagues and other participants. Once you're in lesson view, use the arrows in the top right corner to navigate between topics. In lesson view, you can scroll to the bottom of the page to see your progress in percentages and mark topics or lessons as complete. Throughout NLS, you'll find lots of tips highlighted in blue. Use them to fast-track your learning. We're convinced that you'll find the NYSORA learning system to be an exciting and stimulating e-platform to learn and teach. Study the same way as the world's top academic centers do. Get started with NLS today.